Welcome to Life Skills Computer Training and Consulting Limited. This is the continuation of our course titled E-Learning Course Design and Development. If you have been following this course from the beginning, we've taken several topics in this course. We've considered what is e-learning and what is not e-learning. We've considered e-learning design, the e-learning design strategy. We have considered using visuals in e-learning, the principle of instructional design in e-learning. And now we want to continue in this course. But before we continue, if you are interested in more of our courses, you may visit www.lifeskillstech.xyz. That is our website. Or you can send an email to lifeskilltech.gmail.com. Or you can call this number +234 7068675164. Now, the current topic we are looking at is Microsoft PowerPoint as an authoring tool. In the last topic, I mentioned that Microsoft PowerPoint can be used as an authoring tool. There was an argument if it is actually an authoring tool or not. And in that last topic, we compared and contrasted different authoring tools available, and we're able to agree that there are some authoring tools that, based on the cost, based on their use, based on their flexibility, based on their complexity, and the platform where you can use them, there are some authoring tools that are better than the other. And I said we are going to work with Microsoft PowerPoint and Camtasia TextSmith Camtasia Studio in this course. There is still one more authoring tool I did not mention, that is iSpring Presenter. When we get to the topic on e-learning course evaluation, I'm going to mention that. But for now, we are going to work on Microsoft PowerPoint. We won't spend too much time because it is assumed that you have knowledge of PowerPoint. And not only that, you must have installed Microsoft Office, because Microsoft Office comprises PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Access, InfoPad, Project, OneNote, SharePoint, and some other softwares making up Microsoft Office. And in this video, I want to introduce you to the concept of using Microsoft PowerPoint as an authoring tool. Now, PowerPoint is a well-known presentation program. It's a presentation software for making your ideas known to people, for teaching, for advertisement, for projecting video or an idea and passing it across to people. Millions of people around the world, they use Microsoft PowerPoint, and is part of Microsoft Office. Like I said, in that package, especially in the Enterprise Edition, there are about 16 softwares making up Microsoft Office, and PowerPoint is just one of them. But most people using PowerPoint, they use less than half of the features of PowerPoint. And most of them don't even know the power of Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you are one of them, I just want to show you certain features that you may not know, and which can be used, and which can serve the purpose of turning PowerPoint into an authoring tool. Now, there are standard features that make Microsoft PowerPoint a powerful e-learning tool. And when you know how to use those features, you can create a true interactive PowerPoint. And You might be surprised that Microsoft PowerPoint has some other advantages over other e-learning authoring tools. And one of the advantages is that you can use PowerPoint for shaping and formatting objects. Most authoring tools don't have that feature. And you can use shadows, mirror effect, fill colors, see-through colors, layers. You can use them. You can use all these features in Microsoft PowerPoint. Most authoring tools, they don't have that. They don't give you the ability to edit image or to edit some object, which PowerPoint has. So that is why most authoring tools, they combine the use of PowerPoint with their own features, because basically you have to prepare your course content, your courseware, your material using PowerPoint. Then you will now use some other authoring tools to finish it up. But in this video, I actually want to show you that even PowerPoint alone can be used as an authoring tool. So you can see that there is no need for another imaging tool or image editing tool if you know how to use the features of Microsoft PowerPoint, because it has shaping ability and it has a feature called hotspot. So it's the only authoring tool that can produce hotspot in any shape you want. And very soon we're going to see what we mean by hotspot in one of our practical sessions in this topic. And there is another thing, we call it Visual Basic for Application. VBA is a programming language or tool that can give more power to Microsoft PowerPoint. And it is beyond the scope of this course. It's another course entirely. Very soon I'm going to float a course called Visual Basic for Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you can program, if you can use Visual Basic, then you can do anything with Microsoft PowerPoint. There is a training that is based on Visual Basic. And once you know the nitty-gritty of Visual Basic, Microsoft PowerPoint can be turned into anything you want. You can take it beyond the level at which people use it in such a way that people will wonder whether you are actually using PowerPoint or not. So, but it's beyond the scope of this course. And by the grace of God, very soon, the course will be made available on Visual VBA for PowerPoint. Then there is another tool. We call it PowerPoint to HTML5 converter. You can convert your PowerPoint into HTML5. What is the meaning of this? HTML5 is a web programming language, or is a web language. You see that we use HTML to develop a website. Let me explain it in that way. And in order for your PowerPoint to run on tablet or Android phone, you have to convert it to HTML5. Now, let me quickly state here that the Camtasia Studio and some other authoring tool, the best they can do is to convert your PowerPoint to video and some other formats. But iSpring Pro or iSpring Presenter is an authoring tool that is essentially useful for converting the PowerPoint to HTML5. Now, and I want to say that Camtasia Studio also has the ability to convert your PowerPoint to HTML5. Now, the reason why I will introduce iSpring Pro or iSpring Presenter is for quiz, for producing tests for your PowerPoint presentation or for your course. But Still, if we can't touch iSpring Pro, I want to assure you that Camtasia Studio has everything you need, either to convert your PowerPoint to video or to HTML file in such a way that your Microsoft PowerPoint can run on tablet or iPad. And I assure you that we are going to take care of that in this training. Now, many people know PowerPoint as a simple tool to create slides with no more interaction than to be moving from one slide to another. But in this training, I want to show you that PowerPoint is more than that. So that is why I would have titled this topic as the power of Microsoft PowerPoint. I want to show you more power of Microsoft PowerPoint. And the combination of popularity of PowerPoint and the lack of knowledge of its advanced features make a lot of people to be biased. If you tell them, if they ask you which authoring tool are you using to package your e-learning course, if you tell them it is PowerPoint, they will say, just ordinary PowerPoint, and they may not want to believe in your content or in the course where you have packaged. But I want to tell you that if you have the knowledge of the advanced features of PowerPoint, people can be confused. They may not even know if you are using PowerPoint or not. They'll be amazed at what you can do with Microsoft. Continue in this topic. I want to quickly show you that we are going to learn some practicals such as follow: the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if you are already good in PowerPoint, you may skip this topic. Then, using triggers in Microsoft PowerPoint, that is actually an advanced feature I want to introduce. The adding narration. Well, you might have known that, but I want to show you a better way of adding voice or adding audio to your PowerPoint. Then I will show you how to convert your PowerPoint to video, especially if you are using Office 2010 and above. There are some features there that allow you to convert your PowerPoint to video format, even to images, such that you can even upload your course on WhatsApp and into PDF. You can convert your PowerPoint into PDF format. These are the things we are going to consider in the next video. And I want to thank you for listening.